How to turn off caps lock using the caps lock or shift key in Windows 11. Every time you press the caps lock key, it toggles on, and pressing it again traditionally turns it off. Windows 11 lets you customize your keyboard and use the shift key to turn off caps lock instead. In this video, we'll explain how to turn off caps lock by using the caps lock or shift key in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. Using the Settings app. Using the Windows 11 built-in GUI, go to Settings, click Time and Language, then select Typing. Select Advanced Keyboard Settings and Input Language Hotkeys. In the section labeled To Turn Off Caps Lock, you'll see two options. Press the caps lock key, default, or press the shift key. Choose Press the shift key. Hit Apply and OK, and you're done. This is perfect for individual users who just want a quick fix and does not require administrator privileges. Method 2. Configure via Registry Editor. You can also edit the Windows registry to make these changes at scale for enterprise and multi-user settings. Always back up the registry first, as mistakes here can cause system-wide issues. Open the Windows Registry Editor and navigate to H key, Current User, Keyboard Layout. Look for or create a D-word value named Attributes. Set its value to 1 if you want the shift key to turn off caps lock. Set it to 0 if you want to stick with the caps lock key. Restart the system for these changes to take effect. Method 3. PowerShell script for automation. You can also use PowerShell scripting to push this configuration out to all managed endpoints with your automation or remote management tools. Open PowerShell with administrator privileges and run this command to set the shift key to turn caps lock off. If you want to revert this function back to the caps lock key, use this command. After the script runs, restart the system. Unintentionally typing in all caps can interrupt workflows, make users appear unprofessional, and generate avoidable support tickets. In busy MSP or enterprise settings, especially on shared or kiosk devices, customizing your keyboard can improve efficiency and reduce friction and support calls. Learning how to turn off caps lock by using the caps lock or the shift key in Windows 11 can help standardize keyboard behavior and boost end-user productivity. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to turn off caps lock by using the caps lock or shift key in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.